Hello everyone, we are MySmartJourney and we're proud to present to you the simplest way to deploy contactless and interactive journeys into any physical area. The mission of our company, as much as the origin of our product, is that we want to bring back joy into any technological projects so that the creatives, the project manager, the decision maker, all these people, they can experiment their ideas in a matter of minutes. And most importantly, that this process is fun for everyone. The challenges of many businesses and the need we're identified in the market is that a lot of struggle to automate relevant information in public areas. And this has many benefits since it can improve the customer experience as much as it can provide autonomy to your teams, can lower expenses, and also you can gather a lot of relevant data and know how your user use your product. How do we do that? Is that providing the easiest tool to craft, test, and deploy multimedia content in any physical areas, whether it's signage, games, onboarding of services, or some paths. Any journey can really be done with us because we're so flexible. Speaking of journey, ours started in 2018 at the MT Lab, the Innovation Lab in Tourism, Culture, and Entertainment. But as you can see, we're very well surrounded by a lot of organization with a lot of distinctions. We're privileged, but it's also because we innovate by providing the easiest content management solution to deploy experiences in public areas. Our interface is so easy that basically if you can drag and drop, send an email, and post a Facebook post, congratulations, you've passed our training program without any technical background required. And for the user side, it's as simple as PayPass at the grocery store because it's contactless. And speaking of PayPass, we use the NFC technology, which has been around in the market for quite a while. But the thing is, with any good technology, timing is everything. And given the fact that it's built in most new phones now, and that the people are getting used to it during COVID-19, given the whole no-touch policy, it is really a good timing in the market for those experiences. The only difference is that we use it for experiential purposes instead of transactional. Our business model is as simple as 1, 2, 3. We set up your platform, your app, and your personalization. We deploy some support, some physical supports in the area where you want people to see them. And based on the content they consume, we will have a streaming subscription. We are ready for multiple use cases, like in the case of Tourism Montreal, who uses us for different use, for assisting their people, entertaining them while they are waiting in line, attracting them for events, or engaging them into their whole ecosystem, like in this example, an app to buy a passport to get some rebates. There's also a lot of companies that use us for specific use case, like Rivière-du-Loup City that uses us for guided path around their city. We have a built-in photo booths, 100% web that makes some branded souvenirs that can be shared in a viral way on social media. We replace some audio guides into a lot of museums, even in France, and we do interactive display. It's really a lot of things that you can do with us, but as much as you can do it indoors and outdoors. But the fact is that after COVID, a lot of things has changed. Mostly important is that everyone had to redefine our relationship with public areas as much as with physical contact. So all these ways to enrich customer journey points are still important to us, but they're not paramount anymore. How does it translate is that we use our power of technology to help some businesses reopen during COVID, like in the example of Museum of History of Sherbrooke. They reopened with us because we digitalize all their content so that people don't have to touch anything and they can still reopen to the public. We also developed a feature with the collaboration of Air Canada so that people in airport lounges don't have to go to bars or to buffet by themselves. They can respect social distanciation and have a great service as well. We also support the industry of hotels in Montreal by helping them put forward all the efforts that are being made by the staff to make everything safe and clean. And we also develop our own product to help the confined families with some funny and interactive treasure hunts that the kids can find. And we had so many likes and media coverage from this that it was really a fun adventure for a sub-product of ours called Le Petit Jeu Niaiseux, or the silly little game, if you want to translate it. We also had some thematic chases, like for Easter, and it was just a lot of fun. Why are we so special is that our secret sauce is the joy factor. That's what we want to bring to everyone. It's going to be familiar to the people using our platform. It's going to be affordable to the project managers. It's flexible for your creatives. For the data analytics people, you will have a lot of data to understand user behavior. For your user, it's going to be renewable content. And for your whole organization, given the fact that nobody needs to program anything, it's a fast and furious technology that helps provide the result without any IT delays. And all the tools are in place so that you can deploy your ideas. You can create pages as much as you can redirect to your own pages and services. You can use our built-in features, learn more about gamifications like the photo booth or some random or key modules where you can hide the content behind a password, or other multimedia integrations, including augmented reality, because yes, we do that as well. About our business, we are extremely fortunate to have an agile team that is led by our CEO, Isabel Lopez, who's been in the market of innovation for more than 15 years, and we really treat ourselves like family, but it's also because it's a family business. Both Isabel and Veronique have so much experience in the market that they bring a lot of experience. What makes us unique, though, is that we don't reinvent the web, we make it better. By deploying contactless interactivity in any specific context, it gives a lot of advantage to the user. They find the right content without any web navigation. They have no app downloads, no login or updates required on their phone. And most importantly for our clients, they let the platform, our smart features, do the heavy lifting for them. They can create their experiences in a matter of minutes, and all the visible physical supports help put forward their efforts even more. So thank you very much for listening to us. We encourage you to tell us more about your projects. And most importantly, thanks for embarking on our journey